are here with Dr. Phillips in Hanover, New Hampshire today. He did a mandibular arch, 5 implants with Zimmer. Dr. Phillips, how was your experience with CHROME, the interaction with the lab, and your support today doing the case chairside? And just tell us a little bit in short.
Yeah, sure. Overall, the experience was great. The lab working up to getting all the CHROME material was great. Spoke with Jason, we planned it. So that couldn't have been any better. Chairside today with Thomas, that was awesome, not only for myself, but for my assistants. We certainly collected lots of pearls today. Really helpful to keep things moving along. And once the implants were placed, certainly the prosthetic aspect is great to see and great to have that support first time.
Excellent. So the outcome as far as your patient, it was a good experience.
Yeah, she's happy to get teeth. You could tell just when she was done. Very appreciative of everybody that was here today to help her get through it. Good patient. Looks like a great result.
Thank you. Dr. Phillips, thank you for having me chairside with you today. We
Yeah,
look forward
great.
to your next cases.
That'd be great.
And we appreciate it, you using Row. Take care.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.